Welcome to another episode of Alquimia Success Academy. So today we're going to be speaking about sales and marketing, but mostly I'm going to be focused in sales because there is another video related with marketing, and in that we're going to have the foundation of the marketing and things related with branding and different processes that have to have in marketing. So today, to be able to speak about sales, I'm just going to explain quickly what is this secret that now businesses are using to elevate their companies, to scale their companies, and to basically make sure that they are not getting into the mistake of being kind of like the slave of the business, being working all the time for the business, and also not missing the opportunity to be having more profitability in their business. So I'm gonna reveal right now what is this little secret that companies are using. Yes, my friends, it's called funnels. So funnels is a wonderful strategy that now business should be using. Funnels is a system in which everything related with marketing and sales is basically done in an automated way, in which you don't have to be selling there or being all the time with your marketing strategies, but once you have designed it, you put it there, and there are platforms already designed to help you with doing the work that you don't have to do anymore. So basically, the main benefits of applying funnels actually in your business is that you can have more freedom for yourself and you can have more profitability because you can escalate your business with the use of funnels. But what we have to take into account is that you have to use certain platforms. In the marketing video, I'm explaining a couple of platforms that you can use, and I'm going to be doing more episodes explaining how exactly these marketing platforms or sales platforms work and how you can implement these strategies in your business. So basically with funnels, you just have to have an offering, of course, like any of your offerings. And one thing that I have to emphasize here is that you can do this strategy with whatever type of product or service you have. There is no reason for anyone missing of this, because now with all the flexibility, all the technology, and all the platforms that are outside, you can convert your offering in online and offer this in the form of expertise, knowledge, or in the form of a product or service. Whatever it is, you can do it too. So everything starts with an offering, whatever your offering is. Then you have to go and design a landing page. Then in the other marketing video, I'm giving you information about what type of tools you can use for this. But a landing page is basically, you can run ads out of your budget, for example, and pay for ads, or you can do it yourself without paying anything. So there is actually no excuse. And then you can, after running this landing page, the user, the client, just click there in the link that attracts their attention. They click, and then it takes them to the landing page. After that, there must be a link. If it's for selling, then there must be a link that is gonna take them to the checkout page. And after the client is totally confident that that's the product that they need, they are gonna click, put their information, the credit card, buy from you, and then they will receive a thank you page right away in the same screen. And then the process will be going through a series of emails automation system that you have already prepared ahead for them. So this same strategy can be used first for when you're starting your business, to collect emails and to make sure that you are having building like an audience, so you can later on offer your products. So you can prepare an Optin Offer, which is called an Optin Offer, is basically like a piece of product, a sample, or a service, or a video, or a tutorial, or whatever it is that you can offer for free. So they can get through all the same steps, just not the checkout page, but all of these steps to get the email. So this is one of the ways that you can start implementing this at the beginning. And the second one is when you're gonna actually sell and you're gonna offer the actual product. So is this one including the checkout page. So if you're missing on this strategy, this is the time for you to actually look at the tools, start implementing it, start writing down exactly what is your message and offering a lot of value and align with your purpose, of course. So if you like this video, please comment, share, like, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get to know every time that there is a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know if there is anything that you'd like to know in specifics about this topic, and I will for sure prepare it for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.